Hi, welcome to Montana. Can I help you?
Hey, what's up? Do you guys still have a number?
Can I get a large chocolate frosty?
A large chocolate frosty, okay? Anything else?
Can I get a vanilla?
Make that a swirl.
Wait, never mind. Just make that chocolate.
Make it a swirl.
Can you do swirls?
Just a large chocolate frosty, be it.
Ask him if you can do swirls.
Okay, you got
There's
all?
Swirl.
Yep.
Okay, so I got one large chocolate frosty.
Just swirl.
Can I get vanilla?
As well? Okay.
I just want a vanilla one. Never mind.
Alright, well, I can the next one. Thank you.
What the fuck?
What? Oh!
You said you want vanilla instead of chocolate, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
You have to pay back there.
Oh, let me just back it up.
Back that thing up. Who's this bitch?
Back that ass
Oh,
up.
fuck.
I didn't grab it.
Oh.
Alright, wonderful. Thank you. Go ahead and order when you're ready.
Okay. Alright, can I get a number